Every corner is rounded. There is no points. This is all rounded. No more points. We finally did the floor. Very slippery. Show you what I did in the V-birth. Got the door off of the V-birth head, sanded down this side and this side. One of the things I really loved that Greg did was this. Look at this. Cedar. Cedar, it's going to be all cedar closets. All of them. So, like this one right here. This will eventually be all cedar in the back. I am so excited about the cedar closets. Yes, everything is still a mess in the middle. But look how sharp these came out. Can you see that purple? Or it's like a lilac. Looks so good. The garage area looks a little bit better. Let me just tell you how excited I am about the aft. It's gotten to the point of I can't do anything in it anymore because Greg's still working on different things inside of here. So I stopped and now working in the V-berth. But wait until you see how cool this looks. I mean, this is badass. I think I'm going to paint this either gray or purple. I'm not sure. That lilac. And this is what it looks like on the front of the dressers. This still has to get painted. this and that. They're all going to be like that lilac color. But
I don't know why I always have to do all the crappy jobs.
yeah, that is a crappy job. Hercules! Ew!
Yeah. No.
Is that pee-pee water?
Front.
Oh no! We can do anything we want inside the head. And that's a good thing. Gross. Ew. So the bottom here in this rebirth head has some damage at the bottom. Here's the other side. You can see the damage right there. How nice it looks. Look at that. Still gotta get this one painted purple though. Alright, what did you do?
Mounted it again on my new backing plate.
You made this plate, right?
Mm-hmm.
You created it and put it down and then put the windlass on top?
Yep. And it's all gooped down so they go anywhere.
What else is new up here?
Yeah, we got new, whatever the heck those things are called.
The rope thingies?
Yeah, the rope thingies. My brain's not working. It's all right.
That's okay.
And eventually I got to put the bolt pulpit up. But I got to get stanchions up first. So.
Right. But still, that really came out nice.
Yeah, looks good.
I think it looks really good. We just got to clean up the white a little bit.
Yeah. I got to put our faucet for the wash down hose right there.
Yep. Yeah. All right, now we're going to go down below and you'll show me the other wonderful things that you did. You're getting so dark, honey. So dark.
Battery box.
So what is it called?
This is the battery box.
The battery box. And what is it that
Eventually go inside the sump under the ladder in the cabin, but it's upside down right now, so
oh, okay.
the battery is actually set on this side, and it doesn't have walls yet or a top.
Oh, well, it's another thing you got done.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's still gooey, so I gotta let it dry anyway.
So we've got more through holes.
We've got good through holes now.
Oh, so do we still have to drain the boat with the hose when it rains?
Well, it's because we don't have batteries yet. So.
Let's.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So this, actually, I should have said, the other one is for the saltwater intake.
Mm-hmm.
So all the salt water for the boat is going in that one.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a manifold that distributes it.
Okay.
This is the outflow for the poop. So the holding tank will discharge here. And then this is the outflow for the water maker. So the water maker will discharge the brine here.
Wow.
And that's about it.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
You got it done at least.
Yeah.
She's looking good.
Thank you for watching our video and adventures along the way. If you liked it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for updated videos.